We live in a world that is continuously changing. But do you often feel like you are frozen in time? What if you had a tool that explores and analyzes data in seconds? Microsoft Power BI is not just another spreadsheet tool, but rather an easier and faster way of working that you will love instantly. With Microsoft Power BI, we can quickly connect your data, prep it, and visualize all the information you need to run your business better. And there is more. With all of this real-time information, you can always be up to date with the ups and downs of your sales, and you can react to them immediately from all your different devices. Let's say your report is ready. Maybe you want to collaborate on it with your coworkers. You and your entire team can easily and quickly manage reports, ask questions, and add comments. That's not all. With the help of advanced statistical analysis of your data, you can forecast your sales based on trends and seasonal factors. Now that is awesome. It's time to unfreeze yourself and take your data to the next level by using this powerful data visualization tool. Begin your demo today. Power BI Sales Reports, powered by BlueSoft.